Asteroid Dimensions Mission. In September, scientists successfully carried out the first-ever planetary defense test by slightly derailing an asteroid. The Double Asteroid Reorientation Test (DART) mission saw a spacecraft deliberately crash into Dimorphos, a small asteroid moon in the Didymus Double Asteroid System 7 million miles (11 million kilometers) from Earth. The world's first test was the technique of mitigating the kinetic effect, using an object to deflect an asteroid that posed no threat to Earth and modify its orbit. Before the collision, Dimorphos took approximately 11 hours and 55 minutes to circle around his older partner Didymos. However, this was reduced by 32 minutes to 11 hours and 23 minutes after the impact. The hope is that we can one day make this work as a strategy to defend our planet against potential future threats from space, if necessary. Africa's oldest dinosaur fossil discovered. Back in summer, dinosaur lovers were dealing with an unusual discovery after paleontologists discovered the oldest dinosaur ever found in Africa. The creature, nicknamed Ambirosaurus rodi, was about 6 feet tall and roamed Zimbabwe 230 million years ago. Analysis of the fossils revealed that it was a species of sauropodomorph, a relative of the sauropod, who walked on 4 legs, had rough teeth, a long neck and a tail. The skeleton was discovered during 2 expeditions, in 2017 and 2019, to the Zambezi Valley. Dr. Christopher Griffin, from Virginia Tech College of Science, said, "The Ambirosaurus discovery fills a critical geographic gap in the fossil record of the oldest dinosaurs, and demonstrates the power of hypothesis-based fieldwork to test predictions about the ancient past." Small woolly mammoth. A bit like a small mummified elephant, but this creature is actually a very well-preserved little mammoth that has lived for over 30,000 years. It was discovered by gold miners in Yukon, Canada, in June. Yukon's government said it was the most complete mammoth found in North America, and the second such discovery in the world. It was frozen in permafrost, embalming its remains. Microplastics are everywhere, including us. The scourge of plastic waste and its impact on the environment has become a more acute and pronounced focus in recent times. In particular, scientists have been studying microplastics, small pieces of plastic less than 0.2 inches, 5 millimeters, in diameter, and where they have been discovered, including as far away as Antarctica. Interestingly, they were also found inside us after scientists first discovered them in human blood. Researchers in the Netherlands took blood samples from 22 unidentified healthy adult donors, and analyzed them for particles as small as 0.00002 of an inch. They found that 17 out of 22 volunteers, 77.2%, had microplastics in their blood, a finding described as very worrying. Microplastics were also discovered in living human lungs for the first time this year, proving that we breathe them out of the air. Researchers from the University of Hull and Hull York Medical School found microplastics in the deepest part of the lung. The effect of microplastics on the human body is unknown, but research in 2023 and beyond is continuing in earnest to find out. The first images of the new Super Space Telescope. NASA's new $10 billion, £7.4 billion, space telescope has sent its first images of the early universe. Astronomy enthusiasts received unprecedented dazzling images of a stellar nursery, a dying dust-covered star and a cosmic dance between a cluster of galaxies. Hailed as a new era in astronomy, James Webb took it, as the successor to the iconic Hubble Observatory, and released by NASA in July. Webb's potential in the field of infrared radiation from the electromagnetic spectrum means it can see the past time within just 100 to 200 million years of the Big Bang, allowing it to take pictures of the first stars to shine in the universe more than 13.5 billion years ago. Sagittarius A. In a historic first, astronomers revealed in May how they captured a fascinating image of a supermassive black hole in the heart of our Milky Way galaxy. The eagerly awaited image showed Sagittarius A, which is about 4.3 million times the mass of our Sun and is located about 27,000 light-years from Earth. That came just over 3 years after astronomers unveiled the first-ever image of a black hole. The two black holes bear striking similarities, despite the fact that Sagittarius A is 2,000 times smaller than Messier 87, which is located in a distant galaxy 55 million light-years away. Fossil from the day dinosaurs died 66 million years ago. In April, paleontologists revealed that they had discovered the first-ever fossilized remains of a dinosaur killed on the day a massive asteroid hit Earth 66 million years ago. The leg of Thescelosaurus was discovered along with a 7-mile-wide space rock. Experts believe the limb, covered in skin, likely separated when the Chicxulub asteroid collided, and then buried in falling debris on the day of the impact. The fossilized stem was discovered alongside a series of remarkable discoveries at the fossil site of Tanis in the U.S. state of North Dakota. Paleontologists said it was the first discovery of a dinosaur that became a famous victim of an asteroid strike that left a 93-mile-wide crater in what is now the Gulf of Mexico. They also said they believe they discovered a small part of the space rock that ended the age of dinosaurs and led to the emergence of mammals. In concluding this video, I would like to express my deep gratitude to everyone who watched this video and spent some time with us. We appreciate your support and interest in our content. We hope that the video added value to you and that you enjoyed it and benefited from it. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions for future videos, feel free to share them with us in the comments.